Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to extract potassium from wood ash. Mix dry hardwood ash with water and stir thoroughly to dissolve soluble salts. Let the mixture settle and decant the liquid into a separate container. Filter or strain through cloth to remove fine solids, then evaporate gently to concentrate or crystallize the potash. Handle ash and solutions with gloves and test soil applications conservatively to avoid overfeeding plants. In this video, I will show how to extract potassium from wood ash. Begin with safety gear and gather hardwood ash, buckets, clean water, cloth filters, glass jars, and a gentle heat source. Avoid softwood ash and materials with treated wood to reduce contaminants. Work outdoors or with good ventilation and keep children and pets away. Store final concentrates in labeled containers and neutralize spills with vinegar if needed for safety. In this video, I will show how to extract potassium from wood ash. Quick recommendation: if you are working with ash and water, stay hydrated. The Oala water bottle is leak-proof and easy to sip while you strain and stir. It's a small comfort when handling gritty projects, and it fits cup holders during outdoor tests. If you want one, check the description for the link and deals. If this is helpful, subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to extract potassium from wood ash. Start by mixing ash and water at roughly a 1:3 ratio, stirring to dissolve salts. Let the slurry settle for hours, then carefully pour off clear liquid or siphon from above the solids. Filter the liquid through cloth to remove particulates, then evaporate slowly to concentrate or crystallize the potassium-rich potash. Store and use cautiously in soil amendments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.